Saturday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York, including the following areas: in southern Connecticut, northern Fairfield, and southern Fairfield. In northeast New Jersey, eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic, and western Union. In southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Brooklyn, New York, Manhattan, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northern Westchester, Orange, Putnam, Richmond, Staten Island, Rockland, southern Nassau, southern Queens, and southern Westchester. From Saturday afternoon through late Saturday night, showers and thunderstorms are expected to impact the area ahead of a slow-moving cold front. The rain will fall across areas with abnormally wet antecedent conditions due to recent heavy rain, leading to an increased potential for flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.